yeah, so it made this thing of a plane. Yeah, so I gave it a name. Yeah, it's just got like reusing it. Like, by the way, this is date to be reused. Okay, date to be reused. Like this one's just fail. Like here, this is like uh, uh might might re might get reused for future project. Yeah, like today, so like I did like didn't work out. So like I made this plane. Like to be honest, this is like my first plane. Well, actually, first successful plane that has a tail I can actually fly. Yeah, so it's like really cool. Plus, like I made a new design. Like I haven't tried this before. Like it flies like really good. Like it's aerodynamically stable. So it's a very good plane. So thanks for watching.